Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix your chat settings, prevent you from sending messages in Blox Fruits. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your browser and log into your account. And then you need to press on the gear icon here. Then you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to privacy. And then here on the communication, make sure this is default or enabled. I need to put my pin here. Then you can select who can send message me. You can select everyone or friends. It's completely up to you. And then what you need to do here is to go back on Roblox, and this setting will be gone when I refresh the game. So guys, I just refreshed the game, and now I can, as you can see here, chat with my friends, or I can chat with other players in game. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.